Next, if the centroid of a triangle formed by the points AB, BC and CA is at the origin, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to here. Means what? This is a triangle and this is a centroid. Centroid means what? The point where the medians of the triangle meet. So what are the medians? Median is a line which starts from the opposite vertex to the center of the given side. Okay. So these three medians meet over here, and what is given? This point is 0 0 because it's at the origin. Okay. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube is asked. So two formulae are important over here. Which one? Centroid formula. Centroid is what? X1 plus X2 plus X3 upon 3, comma Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 upon 3. That is 1. And second is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equals to 1 upon 2 into A plus B plus C into A minus B the whole square plus B minus C the whole square plus C minus A the whole square. This formula is difficult, but you will have to learn. Okay. So let's start. Centroid is given as what? 0 0. Okay. Therefore 0 equals to A plus B plus C upon 3. Right. This is for X. Okay. Because X coordinate is 0. Even for Y it will be the same, because the numbers are same only. So A plus B plus C upon 3 equals to 0. Therefore A plus B plus C equals to 0. Now put this in the formula number 2. What will you get? See this, left hand side as it is and right hand side 1 upon 2 into A plus B plus C into all this. But A plus B plus C is 0. So right hand side becomes 0 totally. So the formula becomes what now? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equals to 0. So 3ABC on the other side. So it becomes A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. That's the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, cubes up to 30, cubes up to 15 and squares up to 30 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for